Moin alle goe, hello everyone. Haut das Samstag an heierst Wort vun der Woche. Today is Saturday and here's the word of the day. Nimmen. Now listen and repeat after me. Nimmen. Good. Nimmen is an adverb and it means only. Let's make a sentence with nimmen. Ich hun haut nimmen e Stück Schokolade gies. I've only eaten one piece of chocolate today. But in spoken Luxembourgish, we tend to use nimmen as well to emphasize what we say. And then it is not really translated by only in English. Let's take the example, ich kann dir den Doktor nimmen rekommandieren. This means I can recommend that doctor to you, so meaning without any doubts, meaning this is a good doctor. Okay? So, dat war het woord vom Dag. Een schöne lange Weekend. Adi!